also on the faces of people passing by. See friends shaking hands, singing, "How do you do?" They really say, I love you. I hear babies cry and I watch them go. They'll learn much more than we'll know, and I think to myself, what a wonderful Everybody gotta save to yourself. Make the kuleana pono for help the other. And when you make your kuleana, pono there, it's like kind of automatic kind of. You don't need to talk the stuff going happen. And you just gotta let them, and the stuff just waiting for when you ready. And what happened? The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. See friends